Hummingbirds are small, 6.4 centimeters long, brightly colored birds that live mostly in North and South America. A hummingbird has about 1,000 shimmering feathers that reflect and emit colorful lights that can change as a bird moves like oil on water. There are more than 300 species of hummingbirds living in the Amazon rainforest of South America, while the sword-billed hummingbird, Ensiphera lives in the western Andes mountain forests. Hummingbirds are divided into 9 main clades: topazes, hermits, mangoes, brilliants, coquettes, patagona, mountain gems, bees, and emeralds, which define their relationship to flowering nectar plants and birds that continue to spread to new geographic areas. While all hummingbirds depend on flower nectar to fuel their high metabolisms and soaring flight, coordinated changes in flower and beak shape stimulate the formation of new hummingbird species and new plant species. Because of this remarkable evolutionary pattern, as many as 140 species of hummingbirds can coexist in certain regions, such as the Andes. Hummingbirds are excellent flyers with very fast wing movements, reaching 12-80 flaps per second. Because hummingbirds fly very fast, they need quite a lot of energy, and to get a lot of energy, a hummingbird needs a high-calorie food intake such as nectar or part of the flower essence that is sucked with its small and long beak. The long-beaked hummingbird variety gets its food by sucking honey as usual, but for other varieties, the hummingbird will drill a hole through the base of the flower into the honey and then insert its beak into the hole. This way of hummingbirds can also help flowers for cross-pollination, because usually pollen will be carried on the head or beak of the hummingbird and then moved from one flower to another. The sound of hummingbirds is rarely heard. This is because the sound is a buzzing sound made by its wings. Hummingbirds have the closest relatives with the same typical lifestyle, namely small, fast flyers, and both eat nectar, called honeybirds, that live on the east coast of Africa, but both are not from the same bird family. The similarity is due to the process of convergent evolution. The smallest bird in the world is a bee hummingbird. Its eggs are no bigger than a pea. The ruby-throated hummingbird usually travels 500 miles in the Gulf of Mexico without stopping.